Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to start? Open the Lyft app and sign in if needed. First, tap the menu or the bottom Recent/Scheduled tab to reveal upcoming trips. Once you see the scheduled ride, check the pickup address and scheduled time because changing the wrong booking wastes time. Make sure you're on a stable connection so the app syncs the latest ride status. You're about to cancel, so keep the ride card visible before moving to the cancellation option. Now you'll find the correct booking. Tap Scheduled or Upcoming and choose the trip you want to cancel. Once the ride card opens, review driver status and any notes. This prevents canceling an active or rebooked trip accidentally. Next, tap the Cancel Ride button or the three-dot menu to reveal cancellation choices. Read any on-screen prompts about fees or timing. If prompted, choose a reason. This helps Lyft analyze patterns and might affect refunds or future charges. Finally, confirm the cancellation when the app asks and watch for a confirmation screen or message outlining any fee. Once canceled, verify the cancellation email or app notification so you have proof in case of disputes. If the app fails to cancel, force quit and reopen it, then try again. Sometimes server sync fixes the issue. If problems persist, go to Help in the app to contact Lyft support with your ride details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.